Service Kubo ta Tawi, the ta Penkane Bako, the ta Kerpo. We have we give a time to the Sunday school singer. At that time, we have our offering collection.
We're going to recite our Bible first and then sing our current alphabet.
Proverbs chapter 3, verses 9. Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your crops.
Felicia Zamora is a pastor up at North Hills Community Baptist Church, and her video image has been fading in and out. Yeah, no, well, there it is. Felicia, can you say hi, everybody?
Hi.
Like I said, our connection's a little spotty. Down in the center is Reverend Christy Wise. Okay, and she's waving at us all. And she is our South Tier GPS pastor for Pittsburgh Baptist Association. So we have people here in person. Reverend Dr. Felicia Brock. And she's our GPS pastor for the north of the rivers. Okay. And Pastor Chuck Fox.
Hi,
Okay.
you're welcome.
Okay. And he knows about Myanmar, Burma, and Thailand, if you haven't heard. Okay, we have Pastor Jay Frudenberg. Okay. And I'm Pastor Al. Okay. Now, this is a side deal. We still have on our agenda some people to be baptized who've invited Jesus into your heart, okay, from the Saturday morning classes. And we're still at South Hills Community Baptist Church looking forward to that. Okay, so when you're absolutely ready and sure, we're going to have another one of those fun joint worship services. And we'll fill the tank this time with warm water, okay? And we'll have a great baptismal service. Geez, I'm seeing my class members. It's good to see you all. So, okay, so where we are is we've got a meeting agenda that we're supposed to follow. And since all our committee members are here, we've got a quorum to do business. Okay, so we're in good shape with that. And I'm declaring a quorum present. Now, you got via email a copy of the application for Pittsburgh Korean Baptist Church for membership in the Pittsburgh Baptist Association. And committee members, do you have any questions you want to ask of Pastor Min or any of the board members who are here?
I didn't bring my copy.
There you go. I got
The
another
thing
one.
is huge. That's a huge file. I know you sent that to me, right?
Yep.
So he's been here how many years?
Bây giờ oli yali.
Dia ya, lama dia.
Dah lah. Dah lah.
Kau lah.
Dah lah.
Kau lah.
Tak kena klaim nak cakap ada nak cari ke?
Ya.
Oh.
Emang tu ya. Apa mula apa mu?
Yali. Ya ni ke paman rok ni dulu.
Happy Sunday. Oh my God. Good food.
Oli. Lấy nak sila.
Quá lâu gặp phải gì mà người ta quá lâu gặp phải mà lâu mà ta gặp bạn.
Không biết ya. Okay. Thank you. Cái này cho là.